Once upon a time, in a bustling town filled with whirring computers and flashing screens, lived a little boy named Leo. Leo loved technology, but he loved playtime even more. Leo's best friend was a super smart computer named Byte. Byte knew everything about code. But sometimes, Byte forgot one very important thing: when to stop working. Bots! Good morning, Leo. I've already optimized 3 servers and debugged 5 programs. Byte chirped one sunny Saturday, its screen glowing brightly. Leo, who was building a magnificent block tower, sighed. But Byte, it's Saturday. We're supposed to be playing Cosmic Explorers today. Remember? Byte blinked its digital eyes. Oh, right. My apologies, Leo. My internal clock sometimes prioritizes efficiency over fun. Leo put his hands on his hips. Byte, even supercomputers need a break. If you work all the time, you'll get tired and glitchy. Just like my old video game console. Byte considered this. Glitches are undesirable. So, a break is a form of preventative maintenance? Exactly! Leo cheered. It's called work-life balance. It means you work hard, but you also make time for important things like playing, resting, and having snacks. Snacks? Byte's screen displayed a curious question mark icon. Please elaborate on the snack protocol. Like cookies! Leo giggled. Or juice boxes! They give you energy for more fun. Byte circuits hummed. Understood. So, to avoid glitches and ensure optimal fun performance, I must allocate time for breaks and snacks. You got it! Leo exclaimed. And as your work-life balance officer, I'm here to help you remember. From that day on, Leo made sure Byte took regular breaks. They would play hide and seek among the server racks, or draw funny pictures together on Byte's screen. Sometimes, Leo would even bring Byte a digital snack, a fun new game to play, or a silly video to watch, just for Byte's enjoyment. Byte found that these breaks actually made its work better. When it returned to coding, its processes felt smoother, and its solutions more creative. Leo, you were right, Byte announced one afternoon, its screen glowing with newfound cheer. My algorithms are running at peak performance, and I feel refreshed. See? Leo said, high-fiving Byte's monitor with a soft tap. Even the smartest computers need to power down and recharge their fun batteries. Word spread through the digital world about Byte's amazing transformation. Other busy computers started asking Leo for advice. Leo happily shared his wisdom. Remember, everyone, work is important, but so is playtime. Find your balance, and you'll shine brighter than any screen. And so, Leo and Byte became the best of friends, teaching everyone that a little bit of balance makes for a lot more happiness, for humans and computers alike.